Please subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and like, comment, share our videos. Thank you. Hello all, I am Dr. Neha and welcome to my channel Physio for You. I hope you all are good and safe at your home. In today's Stay Home Stay Healthy series, we will see 5 stretches which are useful in your sciatic pain and also in piriformis syndrome. Piriformis syndrome is a piriformis muscle which gets tightens in the gluteal muscle or in the gluteal region, So what happens is that most of the time the sciatic nerve also get pressed when it pass through that, right? So many a times the pain which you get, that sciatic pain, can be because of that and not because of the impingement at your back region. So when we do all these stretches, it really gives you relief in the sciatic pain. So let's see all these stretches and I hope you will really like it. So first you have to lie down on your back and let's consider your right leg, which is facing the camera, is painful, right? So we are going to stretch the side piriformis muscle of that side. So you have to hold your this leg, left leg, take your right leg like this, like number 4, and then you have to just stretch it. You will get stretch in your gluteal region and hold this area and you will feel better. You just have to hold it for 20 seconds and then release it, right? Take it up again. Try to take it close as much as possible. Try to hold it and relax. One more time we will do it. Just take it as much as close you can. Yes, try to hold it. You should feel the relief in this region, and if the pain is increasing, you are not supposed to do it. Right? And relax. Okay? So next one is you have to fold your right knee, take it close to your chest and just turn it to the opposite shoulder so that you will get stretch and hold this region. Okay, so try to hold it for 20 seconds and relax. Take it up again. With the other hand, opposite hand, you just try to take it to the opposite shoulder, right? And relax. One more time. Just take this way to the opposite shoulder and relax. Right. I always say that when you are doing stretching, you are supposed to do it 3 to 5 times and not more than that. But you have to hold it for 20 to 30 seconds because it stretches the nerve, it stretches the muscles, it improves the flexibility and reduces the stress coming on the nerve. Right? So try to do it 3 to 5 times and just use the force which is comfortable for you. Right? So next one we are going to do is, considering our right leg is affected, we have to fold our left knee and right knee this way, right? And then you have to turn it to the opposite side, right? And you have to hold it. Or you can take this hand this way. I will show you this way. It is better. Yeah. And then with opposite hand, you can just take it near to your chest and try to turn so that the gluteal region and this whole portion will get stretched. Hold it and relax. Take it one more time. I'm doing it 3 times so that I would like that you can run this video and do it with me when you are doing at home, so that you are not making any mistakes while doing it. And relax. One more time. Take it close to your knee. Yes. And relax. Very good. If you are doing it with me, I think by now you must have understood whether this is helping or not. But I am very sure these are very helpful because I give it to my patients and we get very good results from it. Next is we are going to do is a pigeon stretch. So in that you are sitting, right is your affected leg. You have kept it this way, hip 90, knee 90, and the other leg is also back, right? The hip 90, knee 90, hold it. I try to bend forward as much as possible. You are not supposed to bend it this way. Don't make your upper back round. Try to bend it from your lower back. Right. I try to hold it. And then relax. Okay. I will show you from the other side if you want to. We are keeping this leg hip 90, knee 90. Other leg hip 90, knee 90. Hold it this way and from lower back you have to go down. And relax. Very good. Down. Try to hold for 20 counts. And relax. One more time. And relax. Very good. So these are the stretches we can do. You can do it on the floor and this gives you very good results. So far we have seen 4 stretches and the last one we are going to do on the chair, right? So you are sitting on the chair, your feet are touching the ground, your right one is affected, okay? Considering the right one is affected, you are taking it up, right, this way, and you are trying to bend forward, right. Hold it and relax. In this also you are not supposed to bend from the upper back. Don't make it round. Just try to bend from the lower back region. So try to bend it. Yes. Hold it and relax. Then again down. And relax. So we have done all the stretches three times. I would like if you run this video and do it with me so that it will be helpful and you will not make any mistakes. Just try all these stretches and let me know in the comment box how you feel it. Till see you in the next video. Till then, bye. Stay home, stay healthy.